recently shared video shows a dirty eruption at Black Diamond Pool in Biscuit Basin in Yellowstone National Park. The USGS Volcanoes shared video of the eruption that occurred on the morning of December 20th. A new camera and seismic acoustic monitoring station were installed in Biscuit Basin over the summer to help detect and characterize the eruption. Clear video was captured of the recent eruption, and the USGS Volcanoes reports that it was just one of many that have occurred over the past few weeks. Rare natural phenomena once again captured global attention when an event known as a dirty eruption was captured on camera in the Biscuit Basin area of Yellowstone National Park, United States. The event not only featured a jet of hot air mixed with mud and mineral material, but also accompanied by small earthquakes that were felt throughout the area. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the highly dynamic geothermal activity in the Yellowstone region. Biscuit Basin is one of Yellowstone's active geothermal areas, famous for its hot springs, geysers, and biscuit-like white silica deposits. Beneath its beauty, this area harbors a complex underground system of superheated air, steam, volcanic gases, and rocks constantly moving due to the heat from magma deep within the earth. Dirty eruptions differ from typical geyser eruptions. While geysers typically eject relatively clean hot water and steam, dirty eruptions involve additional materials such as mud, sand, small rocks, and mineral deposits. Video footage shows a sudden burst of cloudy brown air, followed by rumbling sound and brief tremors. This phenomenon indicates a sudden release of high pressure beneath the surface. Geologists explain that this type of eruption occurs when hot air and steam are trapped beneath a relatively fragile layer of rock. Over time, the pressure builds until the layer can no longer contain it. This results in a sudden release of energy that pushes air, mud, and other materials to the surface. The small earthquakes that accompany these events are a natural response to the rock shifts caused by this release of pressure. Despite the earthquake, scientists emphasize that this event does not indicate a major volcanic eruption. Yellowstone is known as a giant caldera region, but activities such as dirty eruptions and micro-earthquakes are part of the normal processes of hydrothermal systems. Thousands of small earthquakes are recorded annually in the area, and most are harmless. Yellowstone National Park management urges visitors to always follow safety rules. Hiking trails and warning signs have been installed to protect visitors from hidden dangers such as fragile soil, sudden bursts of hot air, and toxic gases. The Biscuit Basin event is a vivid example of how geothermal activity can change rapidly without clear warning. Besides being a stunning spectacle, this event also provides valuable data for researchers. Visual recordings and seismic data help scientists understand how Yellowstone's hydrothermal system works and how pressure and heat interact beneath the Earth's surface. This knowledge is crucial for improving monitoring and risk mitigation in active geothermal areas. Ultimately, the Biscuit Basin eruption serves as a reminder of the incredible power of nature. Behind the beauty of the Yellowstone landscape lies a vast energy that is constantly moving and changing. With scientific understanding and a cautious approach, humans can continue to enjoy these natural wonders while remaining alert to their potential dangers.